Okay, so basically, there's a crazy bird attacking the window. He has gone bonkers. Like, I have no idea what is up with this bird. So I'm gonna video it because it's actually kind of funny. He just flies off, hits his head on the window, flies back, hits his head on the window. He's not exactly the brightest bird in the bunch, obviously. Oh, oh, does he see me? Oh, oh, no! But enough of this, ladies and gentlemen. Get the hell out of here, Brady. Get the hell out of here. Yeah, you see me, you see me. Don't get any ideas, second bird. Bitch.